Hello, I just ordered this premium heart rate monitor from Garmin off of Amazon. I'm going to open it up and see what we get in it. See what's on the back. All right. Inside the box we have the adjustable strap. Several instruction books. Looks like a quick start guide. It just tells you how to put it on, how to place it, and how to pair it. And then it's another little guide and the actual monitor itself. So we'll put it on and see how it works. Now I've had an opportunity to set this up and use it. Used it on a couple runs and rides. It works really good. I'm really happy with it. Pretty comfortable too. It was very easy to set up. You just go through your menu, settings, then get down to sensors and accessories. And you need to be wearing the device, and you need to make sure the sensors are wet before you use it, and it will locate your device, and then it will automatically connect. And every time you go into an activity, it automatically connects up. So the instructions here are pretty clear. You snap on the piece on here. These are the sensors. They need to be wet, so they'll make an electrical connection with your skin. If it's too dry, it won't pick it up. So snap it in. As you can see here, it's wet. It shows you where to position it. And then you can connect it to your device. And you can wash it. In the instructions it says maybe after about 7 uses. So if you're sweating a lot and you can get salt buildup or anything in here, you don't want that. Past that, I'm rather happy with it. I would recommend it, and I hope this video was helpful. Yeah, the main thing is make sure that the sensor pads are wet before you use it, or it won't make the electrical connection for you to use it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.